I designed it with a strong bottom shelf and 2 sturdy uprights on each side. If you'd like to get a set of these instructions for yourself, there will be a link provided in the description below. Once I decided on the bottom shelf angle, I put parallel supports on the uprights for the other 3 shelves. Then I used 3/4 inch plywood and created all 4 shelves and began screwing them in place. I also used some board at the bottom of each shelf to form a lip so that the weights would not slide off. The bottom 3 shelves are all at an angle, but my top shelf is flat because I wanted it to support other things besides the weights. Once all the shelves were in place, I joined the front lips to the shelves to make sure that they stayed intact. And after everything got screwed together, I began filling all the screw holes with some wood filler. I allowed the wood filler to dry overnight, and then I could sand it down smooth the next day before I applied any kind of finish. and the wood rack is ready for finishing, I'm going to shoot a clear coat on mine. Thanks for watching. There's more to come.